deluxe, that's right.
Deluxe, yeah. She had a piece as well today when she come down for
Did she?
Yeah.
No wonder she's piling the timber on her.
I know. We're going to have to tell her about this, won't we?
Yeah, she'll have to start doing more metafit, won't she?
Yeah, metafit or kickboxing or whatever. Do you know what I mean?
In it. So
I won't say what she said when I had some on my fingers.
Tell me off air side.
I will, I'll say it off air. She said it looks like something.
Does she?
Yeah, gives me sure.
I can imagine.
Sure.
It's got IT in it.
That's the one, mate. That's the one.
Typical Sharon, that, isn't it?
Yeah, she started with you.
She is.
Right, you told us when you come in before about your firework party last night.
Yeah, and this is my last rant for the night.
Right, what do I mean?
Organised bonfires, etc., where there's no organisation.
What, there was no security there? I don't like that.
Well, there was a few security, but I took my niece's son. He's not even 2 yet, but it's like he's probably the first one who remembers. Well, it will be.
Yeah.
So we watched the fireworks go off at Eaton Park, and they put a good display on. I believe Beal's was about the last night as well.
Well, for 20 minutes, didn't it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, some fireworks, isn't it?
So anyway, so you got this massive bonfire like they do, and you got some mindless, moronic young men in gangs. They threw a massive big firework, an exploding, bombing type firework.
Some of them are though,
into the fire. It was loud as. Anyway, they threw it into the fire, and it just went everywhere. And there was people there with young children, little kids, toddlers,
and all that.
Toddlers, mate. You could barely walk these kids. You know what I mean?
Wrong,
stand up, and they had to scatter.
It's wrong, isn't it?
It's a joke, mate. It's dangerous, you know what I mean? That could have blinded somebody, killed somebody, or caused a serious injury to
Don't realise that these kids do what damage it can cause.
Well, it's just mindless, isn't it?
Yeah,
There's just absolutely no need for it.
Stupid, moronic behaviour.
What does it prove? You know what I mean? What they try to show to the peers that I can throw a firework.
Showing off in front of them, mate.
I mean, we've all done stupid things, haven't we? Let's have it right. You know what I mean? Well, I haven't, but myself,
no, because you're perfect, aren't you?
Well, there is.
Whereas I have, because I'm Simon Knobhead Williams.
And I believe that there was somebody at Bewley Park spraying bleach on people.
Give over.
Bleach.
What's all that about?
Well, they're idiots, aren't they? So this kid, one of my Facebook friends, she said, her son came home last night.
Yeah.
And he's got this nice coat on or a jacket or whatever. He's come home, it's ruined. It's got bleach all over it. It's dyed it a spray white. But imagine if it goes into someone's eyes.
Imagine the cost, though.
It's ridiculous. It's just
idiotic. We don't like idiotic behaviour here on the Sounds of Salford.
No, we don't.
Salford people are not about that.
No, they're not. Give a dog a bad name and all that. Salford's got some. 99% of the people are fantastic, but it's that 1% who spoil it, don't they? Yeah. Well, people do what people do, don't they? You know what I mean? But that's just crass and stupid, isn't it?
We're not happy about that, are we, mate?
No, it's stupid. You know what I mean? If your mum knew what you was doing, if it was you that was doing it, and your mum knew what you was doing, she'd be ill with it, wouldn't she?
Go mad, yeah.
She'd be embarrassed by it.
Embarrassed, that's the word. Embarrassed. That's a good word.
It is a good word. Isn't it?
Not showing no respect.
Absolutely no respect whatsoever.
It's not showing some respect. That's
now, going back to respect, seeing as though this is the last link, it's Remembrance Sunday on Sunday, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
So if you're getting out there marching, either at Eccles,
or the Crescent,
enjoy yourselves.
Or Warden.
I think there's usually one in there. Well, there'll be a few in Salford, won't there?
Yeah.
So go and show your respect to all our serving armed forces.
Yeah.
And to all the men.
Much.
Yeah. And receive so little. And all the people that lost their lives giving us our freedoms that we've got today. Even though it's been eroded by the current politicians in Europe.
That's by the by.
Let's show some respect.
So much for us.
They did. And
we owe them big time.
Lest we forget him,
Lest we forget.
You know what I mean?
Words, Paul.
So, go and enjoy yourselves.
Make sure you turn out on Sunday.
Buy your poppies.
Wear it with pride.
Absolutely. All the money goes to the Legion.
Yeah.
The British Legion support our ex-servicemen.
Same as we support our ex-servicemen here on Sounds of Salford.
Yeah, absolutely.
Past and present.
Past and present. We do everything we can for these people because we're grateful to them, aren't we?
Yeah, we are grateful to
We're
them.
very, very grateful to him. So, all these people served in war zones from the Falklands, Iraq, the Second World War, Afghanistan, the Second World War. I'm not sure that there's many left from the First World War now.
I don't think there's many, is there?
No, I think all the Tommies are passed on now, haven't they?
Yeah, my granddad was there in the Somme.
Yeah, and that was a bad battle, the Battle of the Somme, wasn't it?
Yeah,
lost a lot of people there, didn't we?
Lost a lot of Salford people on that one day.
And yeah, we did, yeah. And our thoughts and feelings go out to all the soldiers of the Commonwealth as well.
Exactly.
We had Sikhs fighting for us, Muslims, Australians,
Canadians, everything.
Gurkhas, so big respect to all you people.
Yeah.
And we will remember you. We will remember you at weekend and every other day.
Yeah.
And we respect our service personnel.
I like them words, Paul. I couldn't have summed it up better myself.
Absolutely.
Well said, Coey. Right, on that note, I want to tell you something. We're going to have our 18,000 listeners tonight.
Fantastic.
So I think we've only been going 6 weeks.
It's not bad, that.
Only doing one show a day.
Not bad.
Taking on the big boys.
3,000, that's pretty good, that side. That's pretty good, that. I mean? That's an average of 450 a day, that, isn't it?
It's not bad, that, is it, mate?
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
We've only been going, 10 weeks, is it?
Could get better.
Well, it could.
You could share it with the mates. Tell the mates about this show.
Tell your mates. Share it.
Get it out there. Get the Sounds of Salford out there, because sooner or later we'll have enough presenters to go 24 hours a day.
Yes, we will.
Once we're going 24 hours a day, then we will take on the big boys.
We will indeed, Si.
And there will only be one winner.
Exactly, and that's Salford. And the Salford people and the Sounds of Salford for the Salford people.
Yeah, for you. This is not our show, it's your show.
Yeah, absolutely. It's 100% your show. So.
On that note, we're going to play out with Verlin, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, for our servicemen.
Yeah, and it's been requested by Coey.
It's Coey. He's a big supporter of the services. He gives a lot for help for the heroes. And
this is one of his better choices, shall we say.
Well, on a time like this, it's big respect to that lad, isn't there?
Yeah, of course.
You know what I mean? We wouldn't ordinarily play a song like this, would we? But seeing as the occasion and the circumstance and everything like that, it's a good choice, Coey.
Yeah,
it's a very, very good choice.
On that note, if you've enjoyed what you've listened to,
you've listened to the Sounds of Salford, and if you've not,
you've listened to Radio Merseyside,
and you don't want to listen to that.
If you're going out in Salford tonight,
take care.
There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see. There'll be love and laughter and peace ever after tomorrow, when the world is free. The shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see. The shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait.